I'm guessing mostly सबको पता होगा कि ये क्या है, but अगर आपको नहीं पता तो let me show you. Watch my nostrils closely as I breathe. You see how they make the sound and they collapse? I have something called as sinusitis as well, which means सुबह congestion हो जाता है. Even midnight I'm not able to breathe properly, because of which I tend to breathe with my mouth open, and that's not good for your health. Now let me show you how this works. Watch closely. I'm able to breathe properly. This also helps with snoring issues, and I'll make another video explaining how this works, how to use this properly, and how to not cause any damage to your skin. Now, share this video with someone you know who snores a lot and is a mouth breather.